In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fade an image in Canva. If you've ever tried to place text over a photo and found that the image feels too strong, too busy, or just distracting, this is a really useful technique to know. Fading an image can help you create a softer background, improve readability, and give your design a cleaner, more polished look. The good news is that Canva makes this pretty simple once you know where the right controls are. To get started, open Canva and head into the project you want to edit. From your home dashboard, you can either look through your recent designs or open your project section from the left sidebar. Once you find the design you want to work on, open it so it loads into the main editor. This is important because you want to make sure you're editing the exact design that contains the image you plan to fade. When your design is open, click directly on the image you want to adjust. Try to click carefully so you don't accidentally select a text box, shape, or background element instead. Once the image is selected, you should see a highlighted border appear around it. That tells you Canva is now focused on that image, and any changes you make will apply to that element. Next, look to the toolbar above your canvas and find the transparency option. In Canva, this is the tool that controls how solid or see-through your image appears. Click it and a slider will open. Dragging the slider to the left lowers the opacity, which creates that faded effect. For example, reducing the image to around 40 or 50% often works well if you want text to sit clearly on top. You can adjust it gradually and watch the result update in real time, which makes it easier to choose the level that looks best. If you want a more advanced effect, where the image fades out more smoothly on one side, go to the Elements panel on the left. In the search bar, type gradient to transparent and browse the results. Choose a gradient element that fits your design, place it over the image, and stretch it until the fade looks smooth and natural. This is especially helpful when you want part of the image to blend into a solid background color while keeping another part visible. Finally, review your text and overall layout to make sure everything is easy to read and visually balanced. Move your text into place using Canva's alignment guides if needed. When you're happy with the result, click share, then choose PNG, and download your finished design. That's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll